5 Ways to Make Cash with Cryptocurrency. Hey there! Today we're going to go over 5 ways to make cash with cryptocurrency. Now cryptocurrency is pretty hot right now, and for good reason. It's accessible to everyone, and it's something that you can make money with. What are the very best ways to generate profits with cryptocurrency in 2021? Millionaires who become rich earning and selling cryptocurrencies. Generally, these individuals will be the types who produced the breakthrough with Bitcoin in the first stages. You could be wondering, is it still possible to earn a living with cryptocurrencies? The response is yes, and listed below are 5 techniques to earn a living with cryptocurrency in 2021. But look out! Trading and buying crypto, exactly like trading and buying stocks, remains very dangerous. Many persons have just found out about cryptocurrencies and don't seriously find out the dynamics of how everything gets results. Let's dive in. Mining cryptocurrencies, could it be still the easiest method to generate profits with cryptocurrency? The primary means by which anyone can earn cryptocurrencies is through crypto mining. This program is a complex technique where your personal computer solves intricate mathematical calculations so that they can validate blocks. If performed correctly, the laptop, or perhaps you as the dog owner, will receive a specific amount of cryptocurrencies. The sort of cryptocurrency given is determined by the currency you had been mining. If you commence mining Bitcoin, you can be paid out Bitcoins as a fee. On the other hand, mining cryptocurrencies requires incredibly powerful PCs and associated equipment. High-end PCs require a tiny amount of period to execute the tasks that enable you to get cryptocurrency. And regarding Bitcoin, you possess better chances of getting coins if you are using a powerful machine. Take into account that you might consume a whole lot of electricity, therefore you can expect enormous electrical power bills if you don't go with method number 5. But, we'll speak about that later. Mining of cryptocurrencies is the newest trend nowadays. The mining process consists of complex algorithms that are difficult to solve, but easy to verify if the information they operate on have been processed correctly. There are chains of thousands of mathematics puzzles being solved simultaneously by different miners. The first miner who managed to solve the puzzle is given a unit of cryptocurrency as a reward. Most successful cryptos are gold miners, meaning they are exchanged for real money. Learn tips on how to invest in coins on an exchange, which coins are good for holding, or trade your coins with others. You can also build a website that accepts payment in Bitcoin. Trading. Cryptocurrencies are a hot area in the business world. Many people have heard about Bitcoin, but when you trade cryptocurrencies you do not have to buy a whole Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. You can trade in smaller amounts. Exactly like trading currencies, shares and commodities, that can be done the same with cryptocurrencies. One of the best exchanges is Binance. And, for trading with leverage, I've had an excellent experience with Bybit. Trading with cryptocurrencies necessitates which you have a sturdy knowledge of time trading. This ensures that this is simply not an amateur video game to take up. Chart reading, structure discovery, market research, and trading psychology are essential skills you'll want if you need to earn a living through this technique in 2021. But how will you generate income day trading? You will need to take good thing about selling price fluctuations and enter the marketplace at the proper price. Follow the tendencies and determine if indeed they work on your side. The cost of cryptocurrencies is quite volatile and may react violently when news is coming. On the other hand, the volatility of the price tag on these digital currencies presents a chance for the educated trader, while at exactly the same time presents a significant challenge for novice dealers. Holding crypto, positioning for the long run. It's important to understand what you are investing in. Holding crypto is only worth it if you believe the market will grow. Follow CoinList.me to learn about great new ICOs. The golden rule of buy when low, sell when high also pertains to this sort of online trading. Here you will need to speculate and determine valuable crypto that's currently undervalued and buy it. After choosing crypto, you can await the marketplace factors to drive the price up. The reverse is of course also practical. It is merely just like you would buy and hold shares of a company on the currency markets. Cryptocurrencies are launched generally below a good dollar, and according to the developments, source and demand, and the marketplace segment, the coins can rise. An example of that is Ethereum. When it introduced, it was trading for approximately 30 cents. Today, this cryptocurrency is certainly trading at $140 per coin. Dividend payment. You may be alert to dividends from shares that persons own in a company. You get a share and over time you receive repayment, which is a prize for your willingness to carry the share of this particular company. Something similar also is present for cryptocurrencies. Nevertheless, in this regard, in the event that you purchase the cryptocurrency, it isn't your property, as may be the case with business shares. For cryptocurrencies, your repayment only guarantees you some of the dividend payout, however the crypto continues to be owned by the business that produced it. The amount you shell out the dough keeps the coins in circulation. Like shares, these coins will climb and fall in worth as time passes, and therefore, according to the company providing them, the dividend payout may differ. A good example of a dividend coin is NEO. NEO is probably the crypto companies that pay out gas dividends to investors. iHub Hotspot, the absolute number one of the better ways to earn a living with cryptocurrency in 2021. This method is, for me, by far the easiest method to earn a living with cryptocurrency today. There is absolutely no investment on your own part. The cryptocurrency you earn is Helium, HNT, which is steadily growing in value. At the moment the current benefit of HNT is $21.24 USD. Just how this works is that iHub gives you the chance to get yourself a free mining device, Hotspot, that you place somewhere at home or office. The theory is that you will be helping iHub pass on the IoT, Internet of Issues, network. In substitution for being component of their network, you happen to be awarded by having your hotspot mining daily cryptocurrency. And, it gets better still. iHub encourages you, and provides you the required tools and training, to pass on the network by promoting their present, the free-of-charge miner/hotspot to other folks. That approach you, as an affiliate marketer, get to earn a lot more from the persons you induce to the program. The earning probable is unlimited, and it's monthly. The hotspot at home is mining crypto each day, the business gets the lion's share, you get yourself a percentage, you expand your own network and persons generate profits, you obtain percentage. It's a succeed, win-win situation. You can either exchange the HNE for cash or perhaps decide to retain the cryptocurrency. If you're considering having a crypto mining hotspot free of charge at home or office and obtaining a monthly payment for this, check out the particulars by clicking the hyperlink below. Want to make money with cryptocurrency? Follow the 5 tips on how to start trading, mining, or use your smartphone as a wallet. And watch your account grow.